Hey everyone! In this video, I'll explain you how to use LinkedIn ApplyBot with Google Chrome browser. Firstly, you need to download Zip Archive. Extract the archive to convenient folder and go to Extensions. Enable Developer Mode and click Load Unpacked. Select the folder where you extracted the archive, and here it is. Now click Details and pin Extension to Toolbar. The extension is installed, so let's try it. Here you need to enter your personal details and resume that will be used to generate answers for job applications. So your resume should be as complete as possible, including your work permit. By the way, the extension uses your latest uploaded resume to the LinkedIn when submit applications. Also, you can enable search preferences if you need it. Now extension is ready to work. You need only enter keywords and location. The first apply is ready. Let's check it on LinkedIn. Here it is. Also, extension displays all the applied jobs and answers to questions in the History tab. Your first trial is 10 applies. Next, you will need a subscription for $20 per month. I hope this video helped you. Goodbye.